Hi, my name is George Pizzetti. I've been smoking weed, the best there is on the planet, in every way known that I've ever seen or experienced. For 50 years, civil rights leader for over 45 years. Marijuana helped me think about other people and civil rights. After all these years, I've come to a conclusion about bongs. I like them, but it's just a little hole you release. And when they tip over, they smell your whole house up, and if you have nice furniture, it's really nasty. Glass is beautiful, hard to clean. You drop them, they're gone, and they're expensive. Regular pipes, if you really study how they work, they have a little hole that puts a jet that hits you at the back of the throat. Instead of spreading it out, and all the goo goes down there. That's why you need pipe cleaners. So what I've done is come up with what I call civil rights pipes, because that's all I'm about is civil rights. Part of our civil rights is to enjoy ourselves. It's in our Constitution. A right to peace, love, and happiness, huh? So anyway, this is the smallest of my civil rights pipe. This is a 1 by 2 inch with not a nickel plated, but a polished brass bowl, and all the ends are done perfectly smooth, polished, way beyond sanding. Sanding is done up to 2,000, then they're polished, 2,000 grit. All the edges are rounded. You cannot cut yourself. This is our biggest one so far. There's more coming down the road. This is a 2 by 22 inch. If you look down this tube, I want you to think about how many of those little holes in your other pipes you could put into that tube. This is bigger than your throat. In other words, the civil rights pipe is what we call a soft, large hit. We're going to demonstrate that to you right now so that you can watch how, if you notice the bowl is set back 4 inches. These pipes took 2 years to fully develop, being tested multiple times every day. The bowl is back here to keep the heat and the marking stuff off of your hand. It helps. You'll watch the ball of smoke develop. You're going to learn a lot about how air moves and volumes. I've come from the aerospace industry, and my dad was with Kelly Johnson from the Skunk Works from 1936, and at 19, that's where I started on the hottest part of the plane. So you see this nice little thing here? This is what we call Everest. This is OG, not the stuff you call OG now, because I kept my C's for 20 to 40 years. This is original from the Himalayas. My personal. You can't buy this anywhere, people. You can't buy the seeds. It's unobtainium. I'm also a stained glass artist, so. And this is how I prepare my weed. I don't believe in those grinders and scissors and stuff. But I like to do this because it makes it a better texture. And then I like to smell it. So we're going to show you a nice hit from a 1 by 12 civil rights pipe. You always like to put a nice load in here. Now I'm going to do this sideways so you can watch the smoke develop. And notice that I'm lighting with a bowl. I would normally do it this way because I'm right-handed, but I want you to watch the smoke, so I'm going to light it on the back side. And the reason I do that is because I can light the bowl better and not burn my fingers, okay? Like this, there's always a problem, I learned. Notice, the whole pipe is filled. Now for a little pipe, tell me that wasn't one giant ass hit, and guess what? There's another one here. And there's probably another one after that. So what I'm talking about is even out of this smallest pipe that I make right now, you got a lot of economy of weed. You have a maximum amount of smoke that goes into your respiratory system without hitting the back of your throat real hard. Now you're going to be able to get a better view, excuse me, from what we call our big boy. We also grow a variety of marijuana from the old days, you know. The bad boy that we have, I might load him up on civil rights pipes. I remember right, our leaves were reaching like 11 inches long. And sticky icky. The most important thing is what we grow for ourselves. It lasts a long time. But, so, I want you to watch. And here we go. Now when you're smoking the big one, it takes a lot of breath to charge the pipe. So you can sit here like this, if you want a really nice hit, and watch. If you see what I mean.